On Liverpool docks we bid adieu to Luke and Sal and Kitty too. The anchor's weighed, the sails unfurled, we're bound to cross the watery world. For don't you see, we're outward bound, hurrah, we're outward bound. The wind now blows from east northeast. Our ship will sail 10 knots at least. The purser will our wants supply. So while we live, we'll never say die. But don't you see, we're outward bound, hurrah, we're outward bound. Now we're hauled into the docks, where pretty girls will come in flocks, and one will to the other say, now here comes Jack with his 3 years' pay. But don't you see, we're homeward bound, hurrah, we're homeward bound. Now we're off to the Dog and Bell, where good liquors they always sell. In comes the landlord with a smile, saying, drink, lad, drink, it's worth your while. But don't you see, we're homeward bound, hurrah, we're homeward bound. But when our money is gone and spent, there's none to be borrowed nor to be lent. In comes the landlord with a frown, says, get up, Jack, let John sit down. But don't you see, he's homeward bound, hurrah, hurrah, he's homeward bound.